What's up everybody? So today we're gonna be working on the mini bike again. Sorry, it's kind of blurry. So gonna be centering this swing arm, well, shimming the swing arm so this doesn't hit. Got the wheel all centered. So I put this square tubing in the meantime just to hold the swing arm up. And somebody donated this shock to me from the Gram community. Said it was a cheap China knockoff and they put a new shock on his bike. So yeah, sure. Big thanks to that guy. Forgot his name, but yeah. This is a GX390 that I got all gutted. Used to be in a pressure washer, but it sat forever. Cylinder walls is all messed up, so I'm getting it oversized. This is a NR Racing 90mm piston. You see it doesn't fit, of course. But yeah, let's get started. Oh yeah, and if you're wondering why my voice sounds weird, I am getting over a little cold that I had the past couple of days, so bear with me. All right, let's get to it. Ahead and cut this VIN plate off. Well, that's the meeting about there, probably. But cut up some of this square tubing that's gonna go here. And I have the shop. We'll make some tabs for the shop to sit. Right about in this area. Maybe go across from this bar to here, or probably just go off of this bar. I'm just gonna leave all of these chassis braces. No sense taking them off. Just gotta cut this plate off. This was for the rear fender. Yeah. Which one is this here? It's gonna be weird here though. Yeah, it's kind of too steep. Let's just go with straight to the bar. Let's get that prepped up and welded in. So we got the bar welded in. Gonna go ahead and clean them up, hit it with the wire brush real quick. That's how it looks right now. Splatter City. Damn flux score. Alright, now let's get that cleaned up real quick. Oh, don't. Right. Not too bad for amateur welder. The bottom. I hit the bottom some other time. It's like 8:30 right now, 8:30 p.m. Probably continue this tomorrow instead. what's up? So it's been one whole week since the clip that you just seen, and just been busy with work. And this little hurricane storm front thing kind of got everything all twisted. So yeah, here's an update on the bike. Now the bike is in storage. The bike is in storage because I had to park my truck in the garage and I didn't want it. It was super windy last night. I didn't want anything to damage it, to hit it, whatever, the wind caught, whatever. But yeah, still working on the bike, I guess. Actually started porting the head already. Just cleaned up the intake a little bit. Get rid of some of the rough, sharp edges. Just hitting the exhaust. Forgot to pick up the camera, but yeah, let's just continue with this, I guess. So this is the final result. That's the intake port, just some pitting in there. I don't know what I'm gonna do about that right now. Here's a better look at it. Yeah, I don't know how to focus on this GoPro, so yeah, it's the best you're gonna get. That too, there's that little slot at the top right. I don't know what that is. I'll just leave it. It's the exhaust port. Focus. I guess that's it for now. Just gotta wait for this weather to die down so I can bring the bike back to the garage and hopefully be able to finish that shock mount. But I guess I'll save that for the next video. So now we're back. So it's been a few days since I last worked on the bike. It's been a week actually. So yeah, we're gonna finish up that shock mount, make the tabs for them. And yeah, it's gonna be about that location right there. Yeah, let's get started. Okay, got this piece of cardboard. We're gonna do the same thing as we did with the brackets, with the swing arm bracket. So let's do it this way. Okay, so I made a 90-degree angle with my square because this shock mount brace right, so I made a 90-degree angle with my square because of this chassis brace. This chassis brace is square. The same brace that I welded up last week. Yeah, it's gonna be about here. But Should mark this and this. Let's go cut it out. So this is how the bracket is from the right side. R-I-G. Oh shit. Right side face. All right. These mounts are the top and the, I want to say the front of the bracket. So we're gonna go ahead and square that off. Square. So let's use this quarter to be the center of the shock mount, or the radius, and from there I guess that's it. It's kind of small. Nah, yeah, should be fine. Yep, it's gonna be out of a 1/4 inch metal, so let's do this. All right. It's gonna drill this. It's gonna drill this hole small on here. Let's see how it looks. Okay. It's gonna be about there. Well, that's fine. That should be perfectly fine. Okay. Let's transfer this. Transfer it to some metal and get started on that mount. So we went ahead and drilled those out. Now we're gonna start cutting them. So I got them cut out rough, and I'm gonna bolt them together and grind the edges down real quick, make them match, make them kind of nice. So we got it all grinded down, nice and even. We're gonna go ahead and split them, and I got the angle die grinder out. So we're gonna split this, take this bolt off, and clean up this edge, inside and outside. Take off some of that burr. So here it is. 2 tabs for the shock bracket. Gotta head to Lowe's for some nuts and bolts for that shock. Then we can tack it in, get it all centered and stuff. Yeah, so let's go. Headed to Lowe's right now. Pick up some nuts and bolts for that shock, so we can finally get that shock permanently mounted. Then strip the frame down and grind down some of the useless tabs. Alright, and we're back. We're gonna go ahead and bolt these together, these two. So that's up. Just like that. Debating on running a washer in between them, just so I have some play. I think I should. Because the bottom, on the swing arm, there's some play between the mounting bracket and the shock, so I shove a washer in the middle. Should be fine. Oops. Perfect. So we got it all bolted up. Now I can set up the welder, take some measurements, center this on that bracket, tack it up. Let's go. Okay, so this is how it's gonna sit on that chassis brace. Up, the arrow facing up. Sit just like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and grind where I'm supposed to be welding, then mark it up, center it, and get it welded in. Seven and 3/4. 7 3/4. Divide that by 2 is what? 378. Yep. So it's all marked up. I know exactly where this is going. I'm gonna go ahead and set up the welder and get this tacked in. Oh, damn. And that's why I wear that welding coat. It's just for when I weld MIG. Added protection, the leather robe. can go ahead and take this bolt off, this bolt and spacer, then get the inside all welded up. That's alright. It's the exact reason why we put that washer in. It's okay. Exactly what I wanted. Alright, let's get it welded up. For now, let's test fit the shock and see how she sits without the blocks on the ground. Oh! Yeah! Forgot that was there while I was welding. That's all too. Yeah. So here it is. The mount all welded up. That's how it sits. That's all I'm gonna do for today. It's getting late, it's a Friday night. I wanna go have dinner with my wife. So yeah, this is exactly how it's gonna sit. Did a quick bounce test, it looked alright. It felt alright. Just gotta take that off. Take this plate off. So if you like today's video, please like, comment, subscribe, click the notification bell to keep you updated for future videos. And yeah, catch you in the next one.